I'll show you how to sign in the TinkerCad. So let's start. So let's roll on to my screen. I'm on my screen. So now let me open Google Chrome. Now let me type TinkerCad. Now you can see dragon, rainbow, flat is boring written on it. In right side corner you can see join now option. You can click on that. Now you can see start tinkering. How will you tinker that? In school or on your own? Click on create a personal account. Then click on sign in with Google account. So now I'm on my page. Now you can see the screen. TinkerCad is used designs, circuit, clues, code blocks and lessons. Oh, there is a contest in there. You can click on that and take participate. Now click on circuit. Even you can create a circuit. Click on new, create a new circuit. Now you can drag out. You can select any electric item from here. I'm taking this LED light for example. Now I'm gonna take this coin battery. Oh, it is difficult to connect the coin battery to. So TinkerCad provides an option so you can move that. You can see basic and all options. Click on all. You will have many things to drag on it. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.